Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending popular hairstyle ideas. So here we're going to see 11 popular hairstyles. First up we have this gorgeous bob haircut. And then we see this pixie haircut transformation. Wow, love that pop of color that the stylist added. So unexpected. She looks amazing. And then here we have another classic pixie haircut. And then moving on, we see this beautiful chunky highlights being added with the red. And then we see another haircut transformation. So she is going to be going from long hair to this short pixie cut. And then we see a 90s style bob complete with curtain style bangs. Next up, we see a pop of color being added to her hair. And as you guys know, pops of color are very in this season. They are a great way to kind of shake up your everyday hair and do something a little bit different. Gorgeous. I absolutely love this trend. Next up, we see another pixie haircut transformation. So she actually decided to get some layers. And then we move on to this gorgeous copper tone coloring. Wow, she looks absolutely beautiful. Wow, absolutely gorgeous burgundy coloring with this lob. And it looks looks like she is giving her shoulder length hair a nice trim. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.